Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. We are looking at the theory parts of the 2022-2023 NABTEB examination. And today we are at question 1b, which says find x. We are given this expression and we have to look for x. Now, the first thing to do is to linearize this equation. And how to linearize this equation is by converting this expression into logarithm. So if we log this expression, it now becomes log 2501 raised to power x plus 5 equals log 343 raised to power 2x. So from our law of logarithm, once we have a number in log and it has power, so it automatically goes to the back of the log. So it now becomes x plus 5 log 2501 equals 2x log 343. So from this expression, we can divide this entire expression by log 2501 such that x plus 5 will stand on its own. Remember, we are looking for the value of x. So x plus 5 equals 2x log 343 over log 2501. So from here we can take our calculator and look for the values of log 343 and log 2501. So from my own calculation, so it gives me log 343 is 2.5353 all over 3.3981. So from here we can divide this such that this entire expression will become x plus 5 equals 2x into bracket 0.7461. Now from here, let us open this bracket. X plus 5 equals 1.4922x. So I multiply 2x by 0.7461. So from here, let us collect the like term such that x will come together and the value without x will stand on it. So 5 equals 1.4922x minus x. So if we do the subtraction, that will now become 0.4922x. So from here, you can make x the subject of the equation. That will now become 5 divided by 0.4922. So x equals 10.1584, and if we approximate, that is 10.16. So that is our solution. Thank you very much. Please feel free to put your question or query in the comment section, and if you have any other question, please feel free to ask, and remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you and see you next time.